Welcome back. Today we're going another match now. Today we're going Owen James Hart, Rico Medina, and against two Next Warriors.
Barangay Ginebra versus Endless Road Warriors.
Alright, it's this.
At magsisimula na po tayo mga kaibigan.
Alright, here we go, guys. Here we go. Beginning. Let's go. Our beginning. SMD.
Tago na kayo! Kalbo Kaboy!
Wow, perfect. Go! Come on, go!
Kinamusta ang mga exams the ball like it was nothing.
Go! Wow, yeah!
Pasok!
Go! Go!
For a long one, Shato!
Oh, yeah! Go!
Isinubo sa ring. Good one.
No!
Ipinasa.
Come on!
For flying volleyball na laban. Nagkakaba sa ere. Ang baka.
Oh, yeah!
Mula sa labas. Here comes the long ball.
Yeah, here
Ipinasa.
comes the Lumo!
Nagpakawala ng tres.
What?
Oblong na ata ang bola.
Say that!
Goes for a ferocious slam.
3 times say that!
From the deep range. Kumahay pa. Kailangan ka. Sumalaksak.
Yeah!
Pass.
Everyone!
Simpleng tira. Ayos.
Go!
I can feel it.
Come on!
Tumakas na. Saan ka pupunta? Yes, sirree.
Come on!
For two. Nga. Kung ano bang ginagawa sa head. Ala superhero. That was crazy.
Superhero! I need that one.
Sabay tira.
Go!
Cool.
Wow! Yay!
Oops, nice catch ang bola. Wide open for three. Kumain ka kasi ng bola.
Okay!
Basic to basic. Challenge lang tayo. Dipsy-doo. As cool as the other side of the pillow.
Underside for Bill
Para sa
again.
dos. Gets the basket.
Yes, get some backstick. Alright, go!
Pumirma ka sa kalang beses. Eres ang kaluluwa.
Go! One
Pass.
shot! Go! One shot!
Sabay kita. Monster slam.
Buster land. Go!
He launched it. Rebound.
Come on! Go!
Layup. Swap. And this is the end of the quarter.
Of quarter! That's super, guys! Alright, guys, so I'm going to big love. Let's go.
We are now in the second
Oh,
quarter.
there's Freddy! There's Freddie Mercury right there!
That's
Yeah!
Ang angas mo,
Perfect!
Wide open for three. Jackpot. Layup.
What?
Kinarate ang bola. Enroll sa lalay. Katakot-takot.
Go!
Pinaikot ang bola. Pinalipad ang bola. No good. Dipsy-doo. Good.
Wow, come on. Go!
He launches it. No siree.
Oh,
Rebound.
sorry!
Lets it fly. Knocks down the three.
No! Yeah! 3
I can feel it. Sa kabilang ibayo. Boom! Pasok!
Oh my god, you almost died.
Tinira. Patata. Sinubo sa ring. Sa palayo. Basic na basic. Na sa pool. Bigyan na yan ang chance. Simple tira. Oops. Bawal yan dito. Sana sa air. Henyo. Pumukol ng tres. Anyari.
You don't say that!
Tumira ng tres. Sukat na sukat.
Yeah! Come on! Perfect!
For a long one.
Go!
Big one. Ipinasa.
Oh my god! One shot!
He shoots. Pasok.
Yay! Let's go!
Nice pass.
Go!
I can feel it. Hanip ang tirada.
Good job. Good. Good. And get go. Hindi ka na middle.
Itinapon ang bola. Kulang sa practice.
Come on. Steal.
Basic bases sa pool. Para sa dos. Ulit.
Steal naman.
Masarap na Ignacio. Bukas mula sa press. Check up muna, pre. Nagmumodal sa area. I-launch din. Lakas tira. Lakas trampa. Kunwari alley-oop. Sabaw. Kumain ng 10 laro. Gumamit ng 100%. At last, pumasa din. Swerte. Kung may ranggo ang duling, general ka. From the deep range. Ugly shot. Barangay Ginebra ang nagwagi ngayong gabi.
Alright guys, thank you for watching guys.